Greetings all. In honor of my Mexican compadres, today we're going to make tacos al pastor. It's marinated pork layered on a spit, kind of like a kebab, but Mexican. Baked in the oven or cooked over fire with smoke. Let's get to it. The key ingredients will be the pork shoulder, pineapple, chiles, achiote paste, vinegar, plus the list of ingredients as shown. Select an entire boneless pork shoulder, which has a good mixture of fat and muscle fiber. To slice the shoulder effectively into about 1/4 inch slices can be tricky. It's about 60% art and 40% technique, like as a carpenter looks at a piece of wood, understands and follows the grain, and attempts to create the desired shape. For this, I employ a horizontal cutting technique, using the heel and fingers of my open hand to resist while my knife hand carefully saws back and forth for a flat, even slice.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
Cut the pineapple as shown. You will use the bottom part as the base for the skewer. Cut off the outer skin. I use the top part to cap off the pastor skewer once it's layered. Cut the rest of the meat as close as possible to the core. Add the pineapple chunks and about 1/2 cup of vinegar, then blend to liquefy. Meanwhile, blanch half the dried chilies for about 45 seconds in boiling water, drain, then remove the seeds if you want less heat. The other half of the chilies I char with a butane torch or cigar lighter, leaving the seeds in. This gives a beautiful smoke and char flavor to the marinade. Then chop up and combine the charred and blanched chilies. Roast the spices over medium heat for about 5 minutes until the mustard seed pops. Then grind with a processor or mortar and pestle. Add all remaining ingredients and achiote paste if available to the pineapple puree. Blend until smooth. Then mix in with the pork slices and marinate for at least 8 hours. Poke a skewer through the base of the pineapple as shown. For this I used a metal straw about 1 foot tall, then start adding staggered layers of even slices, building a tower. Cut off any odd-shaped pieces and add to the skewer. The idea is to maintain a cylindrical shape. Once the tower is built, cap it off with the top part of the pineapple. Here's a pro tip. To get the fire started, soak a paper towel in used cooking oil, place in the middle of the coals, and heat for about 30 minutes until the coals are half white. Spread the coals around the edges. Place the tower in the middle. Add a handful of soaked wood chips to get started. No need to get fancy. I made my own smoker with a large aluminum stock pot to cover the ensemble and keep the smoke in. Total cook time is about 3 hours. Be sure to add wood chips about every 30 minutes or as needed. Keep the temperature at 350 Fahrenheit. The result, a beautifully charred outer layer. Slice the meat and build the taco as you wish. Usually I have it with lime, onion, and a spicy avocado mayonnaise sauce. The best way to eat tacos al pastor is of course with homemade corn tortillas. Tonight I'm going to finish with a tequilazo de Don Julio and a Davidoff Yamasa cigar. Keep cooking until next time.